From early on, South by Southwest has attracted people from really all around the world. That was one of our initial goals, was to bring people from overseas here.
During the last year, we began talking to each other whether it could be a great combination, bringing Mercedes into the game.
We truly believe it's a fantastic format where we can get into contact with people who normally would not join us on automobile affairs around the globe.
The ME convention fits into the South by Southwest family because, the goals are the same, to create new relationships, new ideas, new ways forward for, the future.
Here in Austin, we wanted to offer added value in our sponsorship. So we added the Palm Park, where we give relaxation areas, additional potential areas for talking about technology.
It's a great partnership between South by Southwest and the folks at Mercedes.
I think it's worth building our future partnership with another ME convention this year, right?
Yeah, so Frankfurt was great, but really excited about Stockholm.
We will be in Stockholm in September, beginning of September, 4th to 6th, right?
Yeah.